Imagine a puzzle. Pieces scattered all over the world. Some pieces missing. And some pieces shocking. This puzzle belonged to one man, Jeffrey Epstein. Wealthy, connected, mysterious. And now, thousands of new files are out. Secrets the world hasn't seen before. In the next 10 minutes, we'll break it down, like you're 5. Don't blink. Some of these secrets will make your jaw drop. Jeffrey Epstein was no ordinary man. Born in Brooklyn, New York, he started small. But he quickly moved into a world of wealth and power. Think of it like a tiny seed growing into a massive, twisted tree. Big roots, hidden branches. Epstein was brilliant with money. He managed fortunes, advised the rich, and became close to billionaires, politicians, and even royalty. But his life wasn't just about wealth. Rumors, lawsuits, and accusations followed him for decades. Some say he was untouchable until the law finally caught up. He owned private islands, jet planes, mansions. From the outside, it looked perfect. But behind locked doors, dark secrets hid. So, where do these files come from? After Epstein's death in 2019, investigators, journalists, and courts began releasing documents. Lawsuits, depositions, and flight logs slowly became public. Recently, thousands of pages were released online, digital files you can actually read. Names, dates, flights, money transfers, even letters. And some of these names will make you do a double take. These documents aren't just old records. They show patterns, connections, a network of influence that spans continents. The files reveal flights to private islands, strange gifts, money moving like rivers, and letters hinting at influence and power. Imagine a spider web. Every thread connects someone. Some threads are very close to the world's most powerful people. Even decades later, secrets are finally coming to light. Journalists mapped the connections. Patterns emerged. Some names repeat. Some flights are suspicious. And some transfers don't make sense. Then came the big twist. Some recently released files suggest new information we didn't know before, things that could rewrite parts of the story. What these new files show is shocking even for experts. The turning point? The files aren't random. They reveal a system. A machine of secrecy and influence. Imagine a giant clock. Each file is a cog. Only when they all move together, you see the machine at work. And it's complicated, messy, and yes, disturbing. Big American businessmen, ex-presidents, celebrities, and their dark secret raises several questions. Connections, flights, money, letters, all line up like gears. And the world is watching, debating, sharing, trying to understand. Some questions remain unanswered. Some names remain mysterious. But one thing is clear, the story isn't over. And the next chapter could be even bigger. And it raises a dark, serious concern. Did we give power to wrong hands? What do you think these files really reveal? Comment below. Let's talk about it.